Happy trails to you until we meet again. Happy trails to you until we meet again. Hey, howdy and good morning, buckaroos. How you doing wherever you are? I hope it's great. Here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, we are having just a glorious day. Why am I in the garage instead of out riding today? Well, that's a long answer to a short question, and let's just say Mrs. Cooper has me tied down with some domestic chores, and I'm sneaking right now to catch up with you. Anyway, I want to carry on with the USB saga. I always want to say UBS. Tell me why. But anyway, I think I've finally found the perfect combination connector cord. I'm going to sneak in a little close with this, hope you don't mind. And that is a coiled cord. Now, I found it on Amazon. Go figure, right? It's from a company called OnePix, available on Amazon. The full description is phone charger, cable for car, 3 feet, coiled. So here it is. It's just working great. Everything else I've been able to find is either too short or long enough that I have to wrap it around the handlebar once or twice to keep it. And they work, but it just makes me a little nervous. So I'm going to show you a quick picture on the bike here. Stand by. Okay, so here we go, boys and girls. I'm going to show you, I think this is the ideal cable. I took the other one off earlier, putting the phone on my phone mount that has been so good for me, and locating it there. Wait, let's go back on that. Let's go this way first. Hey, in the interest of science, attaching the charger cable to the USB outlet port, and then attaching the phone to my very cool mount, and I'm going to bring it underneath. I could put it through the handlebar like this or whatever, but I think there's less interference underneath, and putting her right there. And you'll note, I hope you can note anyway, that this cabling with the coil gives great resilience. So fire it up. Aha! Charged, 84% charge, and it's all working. So there you go. I think I have found the answer to the correct cable to use. I wish that there was a service that did like a customization on these, because I think it'd be cool if this end was a 90-degree or perhaps even a 90-degree backwards. But as it is, very satisfied with this. And that's what I'm going to be using on the camera from now on, buckaroos. Hey, you have yourselves a wonderful day, evening, week, month, year. Go ahead, just do it. Talk to you later.